In the shadow of giants like Alan Turing and John von Neumann, one woman quietly revolutionized the way machines speak. Her name was Kathleen Booth, mathematician, computer scientist, and the author of the world's first assembly language. Born in 1922 in Stourbridge, Worcestershire, Kathleen Hilda Valerie Britton came of age during a time of global upheaval. In 1944, she earned her degree in mathematics from Royal Holloway, University of London, a rare achievement for women of her time. At Birkbeck College, Kathleen joined a small but ambitious team, led by her future husband, Andrew Booth. Together, they built three groundbreaking machines: the ARC, the SEC, and the APEXC, each a leap forward in computing design. Kathleen didn't just build hardware. She wrote the first assembly language, a way for humans to instruct machines directly. Her assembler and autocode laid the foundation for modern programming. In 1947, Kathleen travelled to Princeton as Andrew Booth's research assistant. There she met John von Neumann and co-authored a seminal paper on digital computer design. Her work helped transition the ARC to a von Neumann architecture, a model still used today. In 1953, Kathleen co-authored Automatic Digital Calculators, a landmark book that introduced the planning and coding style, a precursor to structured programming. In 1958, she taught one of the first programming courses and wrote a manual for APEXC computers. Her curiosity led her to machine translation. In 1955, she publicly demonstrated a prototype that translated French to English, decades ahead of Google Translate. In 1962, Kathleen and Andrew left Birkbeck after a bitter dispute over recognition. They moved to Canada, where Kathleen continued teaching and researching at the University of Saskatchewan and Lakehead University. A final paper, co-authored with her son, used neural nets to identify marine mammals, published when she was 71. In retirement, Kathleen found peace in nature. She grew exotic plants, hiked Vancouver Island, and remained intellectually curious into her 80s. She passed away in 2022 at the age of 100. A century of life, much of it spent shaping the digital world we now inhabit. Kathleen Booth's name may not be in every textbook, but her legacy lives in every line of code, every machine that speaks our language. She was a pioneer, a teacher, a visionary, and she deserves to be remembered.